This is Geometry A, Unit 5 on Transformations, Lesson 4, Symmetry. So we're going to look for symmetry. There are several kinds of symmetry. I'll do some sketching and some drawing here. Feel free to sketch and draw right along with me. Just for your information, I'm using Autodesk Sketchbook. That is available online. It's not free, unfortunately, but it's not terribly expensive either. So if you're interested in a decent drawing program. There are several types of symmetry. There's line symmetry. Okay. There is point symmetry. Okay. And there is rotational symmetry. Line symmetry is also called reflection symmetry. Okay, and I'm going to sketch examples of each. Line symmetry basically means that there is a line of reflection across which the object is mirrored. For example, in the case of this hand-sketched butterfly. All right, that has vertical line symmetry. Point symmetry is unique. Point symmetry is reflecting across a point. So if I have, say this shape over here, okay, then I reflect that across a point. So I'm going to take this point, I'm going to go an equal distance on the other side and go there. I'm going to take this point, I'm going to go an equal distance on the other side and go there. This point, equal distance on the other side and go here. So the point is basically like this. And you'll notice it has the effect of appearing to be rotated 180 degrees. And that's because 180 degree rotation is the same as point symmetry. Okay, so that's point symmetry. And rotational symmetry is the symmetry of spinning. So let's say, and I'm just going to sketch something by hand here. Let's say we've got this equilateral triangle. It's got rotational symmetry. It also has line symmetry, but it's got rotational symmetry because if I take any point, any point on it and rotate it around the central point, at 120 degrees it matches. 120 degrees, 120 degrees. This is almost better demonstrated with a graphic here. So let me grab a screen capture of the triangle. Okay. And I'm going to copy and paste. And now I'm going to spin it. And I'm going to spin it over itself. You'll notice it slowly, it doesn't match, doesn't match, doesn't match, doesn't match. And then suddenly it matches. And then it doesn't match, doesn't match, doesn't match. And then suddenly it matches. Now, not perfectly because it's a hand sketch. And then all the way around. Now, spinning all the way around 360 degrees, any object will match itself spun completely around. Okay? But rotational symmetry is it matches itself under some angle of rotation less than a full circle, less than 360 degrees. Okay? And that brings me to some of the cool features of this particular drawing program and why I mentioned it at the beginning of the video. Okay? You can create some symmetry by using the symmetry tool here. And I'm going to create horizontal line symmetry, and I'm going to redraw my butterfly. Okay, and you kind of get the point. Everything that is drawn on the left is drawn on the right. Okay? Or we can do vertical line symmetry. We can do a combination thereof. We can do vertical and horizontal line symmetry. Okay? And so that has both reflection symmetry or horizontal line symmetry vertically and horizontally. Okay? Or if I want rotational symmetry, I can use this here. Okay? So if I spin this 120 degrees, it matches itself. You can do it with any number. Let's do it with 7. Heptagonal rotational symmetry. And try some different colors. Okay, you get the idea. So if I rotate this 1/7 of a full circle, it matches itself. Okay, so some fun stuff here.